Did you know that the average carpet can harbor up to 100,000 bacteria per square inch? That's why keeping your carpet spotless isn't just about looks, it's about hygiene too. Whether it's a spilled cup of coffee, pet accidents, or everyday dirt, stains can be stubborn. But don't worry, today we're breaking down the 3 best carpet spot removers of 2026 that make tackling messes fast, easy, and actually effective. All the links are in the description, so you can grab whichever one fits your needs. Number 3. Rocco and Roxy Supply Company Stain and Strong Odor Eliminator. Starting off strong, Rocco and Roxy is a professional-strength bioenzymatic powerhouse designed to literally eat away pet messes. Urine, vomit, feces, you name it. Unlike cleaners that just mask odors with perfume, this formula actually breaks down ammonia crystals and organic matter, leaving your carpet smelling clean and fresh. The 32 fluid-ounce bottle comes with a sturdy trigger spray for both targeted misting and heavy-duty soaking, making it easy to tackle small spots or larger problem areas. Compared to Nature's Miracle Advanced, Rocco and Roxy has a more subtle scent and even carries the Carpet and Rug Institute seal of approval, meaning your fibers are safe from harsh chemicals. One thing to note, deep-set odors require patience for the enzymes to fully work, often taking a few hours to a full day. However, if you follow the instructions, the results are unbeatable, especially in multi-pet households or situations where mysterious carpet smells persist. Plus, it's safe for most carpets and rugs, including wool blends and synthetics, making it versatile. If you're looking for a solution that doesn't just mask the problem, but actually eliminates it at the source, Rocco and Roxy is definitely worth the wait. For anyone battling ongoing pet messes, it's like having a professional cleaner in a bottle. Number 2. Carpet CPR Spot and Stain Remover Spray. Next up, Carpet CPR is your go-to for set-in, high-pigment stains like coffee, red wine, ink, and greasy spills. While enzymatic cleaners focus primarily on odors, Carpet CPR zeroes in on lifting stubborn stains from deep within the carpet fibers. Its foaming nozzle is a clever touch. It keeps the formula on the surface longer for maximum stain removal without immediately sinking in, giving you more control over treatment. Compared to Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover, Carpet CPR doesn't leave any sticky residue behind, which means your carpet stays soft and plush after cleaning. Its industrial clean scent is noticeable, but not overwhelming, and the foam spreads evenly without dripping or oversaturating the fibers. It's especially effective in high-traffic areas, like hallways, entryways, and kids' playrooms, and it works surprisingly well on car interiors. Think of all the tiny coffee drips or crayon spills that end up in your car carpet. Spray, blot, and watch the stain vanish. It's almost satisfying to see stubborn marks disappear so effortlessly. For busy households, parents, or anyone who experiences frequent spills, Carpet CPR combines convenience with serious cleaning power. It's a must-have for tackling quick messes before they set, and it can be a lifesaver during unexpected spills. Number 1. Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Stain Destroyer for Carpet. Topping our list, Bissell Pet Pro Oxy is a true game-changer for pet owners. Its oxygen-based Oxy technology attacks stains on a molecular level, breaking them down instantly, while the Stain Protect barrier helps prevent future messes in the same spot. Unlike many cleaners, it works wonders on light-colored carpets where yellowing from old accidents is common, lifting both pigments and odors efficiently. Compared to Resolve Pet Expert, it's faster, doesn't leave sticky residues, and can be used on multiple surfaces: carpets, upholstery, pet beds, car seats, even couches. The spray and leave formula makes it quick, convenient, and highly effective. Even on stubborn stains like old urine or red wine, Bissell Pet Pro Oxy consistently delivers impressive results. Its ability to combine stain removal, odor elimination, and fiber protection makes it more versatile than most competitors. Plus, it's safe for daily use, non-toxic, and works well in homes with children or pets. If you've struggled with pet messes or frequent accidents, this one is a true lifesaver, reducing cleanup time while actually keeping your carpet fresh and clean. For anyone seeking a no-fuss, professional-level solution, Bissell Pet Pro Oxy is absolutely the one to grab first. So which one should you choose? Here's the breakdown. Rocco and Roxy, best for tough odors and multi-pet homes. Carpet CPR, best for removing stubborn, set-in stains quickly. Bissell Pet Pro Oxy, best overall for pet owners, combining instant stain removal, odor elimination, and fiber protection. Winner, Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Stain Destroyer. It's the most versatile, effective, and easy to use of the bunch, perfect for any household tackling both stains and odors. Keeping your carpets clean doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right spot remover, you can save time, stress, and actually enjoy walking barefoot on your carpet again. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more cleaning hacks and product roundups. Don't forget, all the links are in the description to grab your favorite.